Branches of economy: microeconomics and macroeconomics. If you know the difference between I and A, you will differentiate the term microeconomics and macroeconomics. Before going to branching of economics, we should know that who is called father of economics. Adam Smith is called father of economics because he revolutionized the concept of economics. He wrote a book, An Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of Wealth of Nations, or simply Wealth of Nations. But full name of his book is An Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of Wealth of Nations, popularly known as Wealth of Nations, in 1776. See, this is the later half of 18th century. At that time, mercantilism was on the peak. There was a trade in bullions. So, trade and commerce was protected. Now, Adam Smith, a Scottish philosopher and economist, a Scottish philosopher and economist, he gave the slogan of laissez-faire, free trade. He said, let the market play freely. And it is market forces which should control the demand and supply. Means economy, business. So, he gave an upper hand to the freedom to economy, to business and trade. So, he is known as father of economics. Now come to microeconomics and macroeconomics. I, A. If you, I stands for individual, A stands for aggregate. If you know the difference between I and A, you will certainly differentiate between the microeconomics and macroeconomics. I, individual, A, aggregate. Microeconomics, the term micro has been derived from the word micros, meaning a small. This term has been derived from macros, meaning large or big. So that branch of economics which deals with economic action and behavior, that branch of economics which deals with economic actions and behavior at a smaller scale is known as microeconomics. So this is individual. If there is any event at or any action at individual level, that will naturally be a smaller. And the macroeconomics, that branch of economics which deals with economic actions and behavior at large scale is called macroeconomics. So, A for aggregate, if there is any action or event at aggregate level, that will naturally be larger, bigger, greater. Okay? So, if you are going to remember, learn, I stands for individual, individual will always be smaller. And A stands for aggregate, aggregate will always be larger, bigger. So this is the basic difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics, also known as price theory, Why? Because it is market forces which determines the demand and supply of a goods, ultimately which results in the fixation of the price of that very good or service. Okay? So microeconomics is also known as price theory. Macroeconomics is known as income theory, income or employment theory. Who is called father of economics? Adam Smith. Adam Smith is called father of microeconomics. While John Maynard Keynes, or in short, J.M. Keynes, called father of macroeconomics. So clear? Father of economics, Adam Smith. Father of microeconomics, also Adam Smith. And father of macroeconomics, John Maynard Keynes, or in short, J.M. Keynes. Now, one question regarding microeconomics and macroeconomics has been severally asked in UPSC and state level services. That is, who coined the term microeconomics and macroeconomics? Then its answer is Professor Ragnar Frisch. Professor Ragnar Frisch in 1933 coined the term microeconomics and macroeconomics. Very important, Ragnar Frisch.